Today is going to be the loudest burp ever. But it's nothing compared to this. I really think that's better. Bye. Bye.